Hello and welcome. This is the Diecast Photographer and we are back with another car today. Today to review the 1955 Chevy Bell Air gasser from the Pearl and Chrome edition. So without wasting time, let's move on into the carded. Now the carded looks a bit damaged. We can see there are some bends here and here. It's written 55 Chevy Bell Air gasser. 4 out of 6. That means 4 out of 6 from the Pearl and Chrome edition. We can see Hot Wheels is written all over the place, and this is, I think, the Chevy Bel Air gasser's hood. No, it is the Chevy Bel Air gasser's hood. Hot Wheels are nowadays doing a pretty good amount of work in designing the cardeds. They are looking pretty sick in these days. So let's open up the car. We will start with the tires. The tires have a pretty common design with chrome. The alloys are made up of chrome. Here we can see the 52 Tampo with the Hot Wheels written here and these orange stripes with blue. This looks pretty good. This white and orange combination, I like it very well. The exhausts are coming out from here. This will burn the road, I think, like Ghost Rider or something. Maybe Ghost Rider's car. The engine here, it looks like it's a Hemi engine. This is pretty good. Hot Wheels, this is good. You have made some pretty good designs this year. I mean the year previous, 2020. The bumpers are too chrome. The interior is fully chrome. Starting from the steering wheel to the gear, everything is chrome. Here I can see there are some delaminations. I think it happened during the manufacturation or something. I didn't see this before. I just saw this. Hot Wheels have given this car a pretty shocking name. It's XI634, made in Malaysia, 2012 Matty. This part is extended because of the tires are coming out here and the engine is pretty big. But the best thing about this car is the exhausts. I've never seen any of the Hot Wheels car with this type of design. The exhaust coming from beneath the tires. Car a rating of 10 out of 10. Because Hot Wheels have done a pretty good amount of work on this car and the designs are awesome, just awesome. And I want Hot Wheels to make different types of cars like these, not the regular cars that they are going on making, but these type of designs are the best. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Diecast Photographer and stay tuned for upcoming videos. I think